Hi, welcome to this lab about Newton's law. Let me give you introduction about the equipments we are going to use in this lab. We have a silver track here. Here is a string of length about 1.5 meter. Here is a mass hanger. This mass hanger, its mass is 50 grams. It's written here, right here. We have various masses here. This is pulley. This one is a clamp that will use it with pulley. And we have a force sensor here. This equipment basically measures the force. So this is really like a fancy spring scale to measure force. It has, if you look at this right here close enough, it has a plus minus 10 Newton here to plus minus 50 Newton. For today's lab, we are going to keep it in 10 Newton. If we do it in 50 Newton, then we can measure the force up to 50 Newton. But for today's lab, it should be sufficient to just have it in 10 Newton. We have a spring scale here. A spring scale, so if you look at the graduation here, it's levels, it's given in one side, it's in gram. You can measure the mass in the gram, so it goes from 0 all the way to 2000 gram, which is 0 to 2 kilogram. And then on the side here, it gives measurement of force on the object, and it is written in Newton here. And the force measure is from 0 all the way to 20 Newton. We also need to connect this force sensor to data acquisition equipment. So we have here something called LabQuest Mini from Bernier. And once the data is collected here, we can analyze that data on this computer. But to analyze the data, we are going to use Logger Pro. So this Logger Pro is similar to Bernier video analysis app that has been used in past few labs. That is about the introduction.